Hello everyone, today I will show you how to enable sensitive content on Telegram. And here's how it is done. 1. Open your preferred web browser on iPhone or Android. 2. In the search bar, type Telegram web and click on the first link. 3. Enter your country code and phone number linked to your Telegram account. 4. Click next and enter the verification code you received to log in. 5. Once logged in, click on the three horizontal lines at the top left corner. 6. Select settings from the drop-down menu. 7. Scroll down and click on privacy and security. 8. Scroll to the bottom of the page and find the sensitive content option. 9. Enable it to view graphic or violent media in the Telegram app. And that is everything you need to know about how to enable sensitive content on Telegram. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.